Every day I talk with 100,000 lot of new dropshippers, and their a main problems is they don't find winning product. Okay, so in this video I will show you 5 potential winning product, but this is not guaranteed 80%, 90%. You need to try. Okay, you need to test, because every day and all time I say that nobody cannot guarantee you 100% that this product will work, but from the data, from the experience, this is the potential product. Okay, so first of all I will see a viral, and I will show you 5 products, and every product has almost 100k views from Instagram. Okay, don't focus on only TikTok, don't focus on only YouTube shorts. Instagram is also very now popular to find winning product. So the first product is very for the passionate audience. This is the product that of the guitar lover. So let's see the product. Okay, when I see the product, I was very surprised that what is the products, and this product's comment is very good. You can check the premium price. Wow, I want this, a chance Risa, it's Italian language. Wow, cool. Okay, so yeah, this is the product that for the guitar audience that who love to use guitar, and this is the stick to use on the guitar. Okay, so let's go on to the next product, Gymshark product. It is very popular and it's very trending right now. Okay, so gym hack. Okay, it's mini gym hack product. Okay, let's see. Yeah, for the yeah, this is for this gym hack, like who this is also for the passionate audience who always go to the gym, or in house who loves to use the gyms. Okay, and this is very friendly, and in your hand you can use it. It's very user friendly, no risky. Okay, and your gyms, everyday gyms career, gyms life will be more easier. Okay, when you will use it. So then the next product is almost 700k views, and it is also very viral, and also right now it's trending. Okay, the passionate audience is car lover. Just see, don't let the trackers see this. Okay, let's see this. Okay, oh, it's also USB portable friendly. You can use like which design or which animation you want to use in your car. Okay, so it's very good. So let's see the comment. Need it? No, I want it absolutely. Okay, I need smaller ones for my car. Every bus in Indonesia, these are really cool. It would be fun ideas to use it during Halloween. Okay, it's also seasonal product. I love this, but the view is obstructed. Disney Pixar. Okay, so the audience is very hooked, and everyone wants this. Okay, because they loves to enjoy with this in the road. They loves to every day. Okay, so the we will go to the next product, which is yeah, this is for girlfriend boyfriend. This is also very trending. My boyfriend got me a flower with his face on it, so I don't miss him. Okay, yeah. Oh, so in the flower, her boyfriend's face. So he always when she miss her boyfriend, then she just looked at and this is very funny. Okay, so in dropshipping, in my 6 years supplier career, I see that the product you also should be problem solving, which is number 1, and if gives some pleasure, fun, it is also a winning product. Okay, so that's why this is a good product. And the next one is, which is also a toy products kind of. It is I mean, this is product selling on Italy. I mean, maybe because the language of the video, I mean the text of the video caption is I think Italian language. Okay, so the toy car is, yes, which is, this is products also solve the problems. Which problem solve? This gives us more enjoy, more fun in our free time. We can get more pleasure. Okay, that's why this is a good product.
Es ideal para
So the comment
competir.
is, I think, yes, it's Italian
Por fin
language,
toca a
but
ti. Comenta
yeah,
que
when we see
quisieras crear.
that it has almost 50k views, so it's a good product, no problem. So that's why this products I always saved to my Instagram, or by research burner method, Instagram burner method. I scroll a lot of products, I see which criteria match, and that's why I decided this product is good, you can test. Okay. Okay, so the we will go to the next product, which is yeah, this is for